Hi, everyone. Sorry, it's a little busy today. So hi, I'm Randy Murphy, epidemiologist and director of disease surveillance at the Mobile County Health Department. Today is Wednesday, January 27th. I think I have that right. Today we're reporting 32,403 cases of COVID-19, 145 were reported yesterday. So I do think that spike we saw on Monday was a bit of anomaly. We have 598 that have died. 6 were added yesterday, and I checked those deaths, and the 15 yesterday and 6 today occurred, in the prior months. ADPH is still working through a backlog of death certificates to see if they're linked to COVID-19. Then we have 4,058 hospitalized. The current number hospitalized yesterday was 249. So again, we think we are seeing the after effects, sort of the other side of the curve, maybe going slightly down cases and hospitalizations after seeing that extraordinary acceleration following the gatherings around the Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays. It's noteworthy that worldwide we're at over 100 million cases of COVID-19 and 2.16 million deaths. In Alabama today, reporting 449,000 cases and 7,172 deaths. So not much to report today on. We don't have much new information on vaccine events that are sponsored by the Mobile County Health Department. Just to remind you, we do have an event that's going on today from 9 to 3 for second doses, and 11 to 3 were first doses. So we're very happy that we were able to have a clinic with both second dose and first doses today. Again, only those that are eligible, long-term care residents and workers, healthcare workers, first responders, hospital-based occupations, and people 75 or older. So again, it's at the cruise terminal at 201 Water Street today and till 3 o'clock. When I checked with the team a few minutes ago, they had given out 700 doses of COVID vaccine today. So operations there are running very smoothly. Remember, there are plenty of wheelchairs. There are golf carts there if you need a little extra assistance from your car. Please, if you have mobility issues and you want to come out and get a vaccine, please do, and let someone know upon entry that you will need some assistance. We have lots of people there to help you so that you don't have to stand and wait in line. We're really happy to our partners for that. So our next public opportunity for vaccination is on Friday, but it is second doses only, and second doses for people who were vaccinated by Mobile County Health Department. You need to take your vaccination card. That is Friday the 29th at the cruise terminal, 9 to 3. Again, second doses only, and only if you were vaccinated at the Mobile County Health Department. We're very excited that we're close to announcing a couple of new opportunities for first dose vaccine at health department sites, and hopefully we'll be able to deliver that information to you tomorrow. We just want to make sure we have it exactly right before we put it out to the media and on our Facebook and on our recording. So again, check the recording, 410-MCHD, that's the telephone number, 251-410-MCHD, and then on our website at mchd.org, or we have a new URL that goes directly to our vaccine information, and it's mchdcares.com. So mchdcares.com will take you directly to the website with the most current vaccine information. And Mark is telling me that it should be showing on one side or the other. I'm not sure, maybe over here. Okay, thanks, Mark. So a couple of questions I'll try to answer. I've not looked at these yet, so give me a moment. So someone from the media asking, is today vaccination just for booster shots? So we were just giving boosters in the morning, or inviting people in the morning, though we know they will straggle throughout the day. We plan to give out, I think I said yesterday, around 800 doses. It looks like we're going to meet that. There was a little bit of a line in the morning, but they worked through that really closely, and they will be wrapping up. It's best if you're going to try to get vaccinated today. If you're not already on your way, wait till the next opportunity, because they will stop letting people queue at 3 o'clock. All right, a couple of Facebook questions. would like to know if you have an estimate of the number of people 75 and older living in Mobile County. Yeah, so I'm not going to get this exactly right because I don't have it in front of me, but it's around 30,000 people that are 75 and older. When I looked at the number of people, it's been a couple of days, that were 75 and older, healthcare workers, first responders, that number came, and long-term care residents, that number came to around 60,000 people in Mobile County. So again, if we're just getting a few thousand doses, we're still, not saturating that first group of people who are eligible for vaccine. I think the last time I looked on the ADPH dashboard for vaccinations, they show the number of doses administered by county. Mobile was about at just under 20,000 doses administered. So we, according to the estimate of the number of people who are eligible and the number of doses that have been given, we've covered maybe only about 1/3 of the current eligibility. All right. Someone asking about estimating the percentage of people who would actually elect to take the vaccine. So this differs in, depends on if you're a healthcare worker or a first responder, or if you're not, what age you are. So it really differs how many people would be willing to get vaccinated if eligible. In general, like healthcare workers, it seems like it's, about 30% of people say that they, will elect to not receive the vaccine. Again, we're hoping that some locations I've seen where they said, well, about half of my employees said that they would take it. I think about half of Mobile County Health Department employees have already been vaccinated. And I think that as we move forward and people continue to see, about or learn about the safety and efficacy of the vaccines, I expect that we will see increased uptake of vaccination. All right. Let's see, how many total doses of vaccine have been shipped to Mobile County facilities and hospitals? So I don't have, I'm not privy to that information on the total number of doses that have shipped to Mobile County. We have hospitals that have received some doses. Health department has received some doses. There are pharmacies, private physicians, testing centers, urgent cares that have received doses. So I don't know the total, but I do know that it is in the few thousands, not in the tens of thousands. So we currently have a critical shortage of vaccine that is necessary to get arms in those that are eligible. And someone else, how many have missed their second dose appointments, and should the reserve doses be released to others? So we've had very few people not show up for their second dose when we expected them, but they don't have to get it exactly on the 28th day. We can, there are provisions for giving it within a couple of weeks after the second dose time period. So I expect that we won't have much problem. We definitely will not waste doses of vaccine, so don't worry about that. But it's not going to create a situation where we have hundreds or thousands of doses left over because of people missing their second dose. For the most part, we're seeing, a good return of people who need their second dose. So with that, I will end today's update. Please join us tomorrow, where we hope to announce 3 additional COVID vaccines that will be open to the public for first dose, and we will let you know about those tomorrow. So have a great evening, and we'll talk again tomorrow at 2:30. Thank you.